This is a shower door repair. I did this myself. A lot of times, if you see those screws that go, like if you notice closely, this that screw came out. So I'm like, well, I don't want to replace the whole door. So what I did is I took a little. If you notice that little metal piece right here, this is like from a clamp, and I cut part of the clamp out. Now what you got to do is you got to get these two screws got to be flat enough so when it closes, it's got to get past there. See, like that. You got to give it enough room so it got to be flat. So sorry, but it worked really good. What I did is I put my clamps on this thing, the whole door to get it close as I could to put that thing in. Then I put two screws in here, a hole here and a hole there, and then that kind of, brought that together. So let me just show you how it's supposed. This is how it looked before. Those things come apart, right? See, they come apart, right? Like right. Let me see here. Yeah, see that thing came apart. If you notice, let me see. Let me show you. See, there's the screw that where they clamp them together, the manufacturer. But it came apart, and the whole glass. Let me show you. Just bear with me here. That whole glass, comes out of there. It came out of there, right? The whole glass. So I had to figure, because that glass is about $200-300 to replace that whole shower door, and I'm like, I'm not gonna spend no money. I can fix that. So when that thing came apart, I had to take it off, and then I put it on my. I had some 2 horses. I laid them on there, and I just took my time messing around with that, and I had to clamp that together. And that's the only way to clamp it together, because you can't find these parts no more. It's like, so I clamped, and that thing works fine. I mean, it slides and everything. So there's just some tips here to help, save you some money. Otherwise, what happens, because I went online trying to find the parts, like maybe the frame, this frame here, but I couldn't find it, so I just figured out, and that thing works fine. So just some tips, if you ever have a problem trying to fix your your shower door, that's how I fix it. And you can't even notice it. You can't even notice what's in there. It moves fine and everything, But again, it's got to be flat to get between that gap right there. See that gap, and then don't crack the glass trying to drill a hole. So anyway, that's me. And I look horrible there.